Hello students, I am going to discuss MCQs about dynamics. In question number 1, a body is moving in a circle at a constant speed. Which of the following statement about the body is true? So in this MCQ, object is moving in a circle. So in circular motion, you know very well there is a force which will act towards the center, and this force is called centripetal force. Now we read the options. So in circular motion, centripetal force will act towards the center. So we read the options. A, there is no acceleration. No, this is wrong. Acceleration will be present in circle. So option A is wrong. Option B, there is a force acting at a tangent to the circle. No, this is also wrong because uh, velocity is tangent to the circle. We have studied this thing in our lecture. Velocity always acts as a tangent on the circle. Now, this is the option B is also wrong. Now, option C, there is a force acting away from the center of the circle. When an object is moving in a constant speed, there will be no force away from the circle because it performs a circular motion. So option C is also wrong because object is moving with a constant speed. Now option D, there is a force acting towards the center of the circle. No, option C is wrong and option D is 100% correct because there is a force acting toward the center of the circle, and this force is centripetal force. So in this question, option D is correct. Now MCQ number 2, a person just supports a mass of 20 kilogram suspended from a rope. What is the resultant force acting on the mass? So on mass there will be two forces. First, tension, which will apply in above direction. A second, mass is pulling towards the center due to centripetal acceleration. Due to gravity, it will move towards the center. So weight will apply downward, and pushing force, which is tension, is moving upward, and this person apply a force, and this force is act as a tension on the rope. So this object is stationary at this moment. You can see object is stationary, it is at rest. So both forces, weight downward and tension, will be equal. That's why it is at rest in air. So what will be the resultant force? Resultant force will be zero. There will be no force. Both forces will cancel each other. So net force or resultant force or unbalanced force will be zero. So option A is correct. Thank you very much.